for giving me the opportunity. And Madam Speaker, before I contribute this important motion, I want to give my condolences to the family of Malulu and the constituency for the loss. And Madam Speaker was our colleague. And I want to say my apology to the constituency, Madam Speaker, and the family. Madam Speaker, I want to say for the loss of Baba, it's a loss of the country, Kenya. And I want to say that we all lost, Madam Speaker, as a country. And this wants to teach us a lesson going forward, Madam Speaker, because it's a big shame to the country, Kenya, for this big loss. But because, Madam Speaker, Baba was a strong candidate, we want to congratulate him because, in fact, coming number 2, it was not a joke because there was a stiff competition, Madam Speaker. And I think, Madam Speaker, going forward, we also need to see how we are going to operate with some of our friends. Because, Madam Speaker, although, Mr. Speaker, although you cannot know who voted where, Madam Speaker, but body language and the reaction can also speak louder than the voting, Madam Speaker, Mr. Speaker. So I think some of the guys, they pretend they are our friends. I think they are not our friends, Mr. Speaker. Like this guy, I don't think whether Museven is a friend of this country, Mr. Speaker. And these are the people we need, Mr. Speaker, to be serious, because we need to know who are our true friends and who are just lying us, who are just telling us we work together, we are friends, but they are not friends to this country, Mr. Speaker. I think it's very important, Mr. Speaker, and this is a time as a country we need to be united, we need to look forward, and also we need to forget of what has happened, Mr. Speaker, and move forward as a country. We need to come back. I want to request Baba to come back to the country. We unite and see how we can move our country together, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I don't agree with some of segment made by the Kenyans, Mr. Speaker, but it's their right to make such segments. But Mr. Speaker, I think this is a time we need to give Baba moral support and also stand with him, because it's not easy. It's not easy. I'm a politician and I know what it means. But, Mr. Speaker, we need to support him. We need to give him moral support. And I want to say, as a country, let's not have...
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I take this opportunity to support the motion. One, I begin by congratulating and giving echo to the President William Samoei Ruto, and on behalf of myself, the people of Emuhaya, the UDA party, indicate that I support